Wait, what? Orange and Seminole. Let's go. Can I get a break, please?
The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Seminole County in east central Florida, northwestern Orange County in east central Florida, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lockhart, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source,
Z88.3. We always give you weather warnings first.
People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Orlando, Apopka, Altamont Springs, Ocoee, and Winter Garden. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Bro, Z88.3 finished up the last SVR, and they're not even going to tone this next one. Gotta love it. Bro, Melbourne, can you give me a break, please? Give me a break for like 3 seconds. Gosh.